Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a question. Somebody was asking, they wanted to have a blurb module and they wanted to pop up a video. Yeah, you can do it. We're actually using the Divi Supreme Pro plugin for this today. And so we've got a blurb module here. And when we click on it anywhere, you click on the icon or the content, it's going to pop up a video for us. Really easy to do. Like I say, we will need to have the Divi Supreme Pro version today to do this, and you'll have to enable a setting in it. Once you've got the Pro version installed, go down to Divi Supreme Pro, and in the settings here, I want to make sure you've got Enable Divi Pop-Up switched to on, so it's purple like that. Then save the changes. If you fail to do this, this won't work today, so make sure you do this. And this is in the Divi Supreme Pro general settings. Once you've done that, we can get it done. So let's go down. First thing I'm going to do is enable the Visual Builder. Once enabled, go down to where we want to work. And for this first step, it doesn't matter where you do it, because I'm going to create a video module and then I'm going to delete it after saving it to the library. So I'm going to add a new Divi module. Light grey ones here are all the ones that come with the Divi theme as standard, and plenty of them. Blue ones are the ones that come with Divi Supreme module. I'm just going to use a regular Divi video module for this today. I'm going to trash the one they got in there. I'm going to add a video. I'm going to go grab a YouTube URL for the video, and I'm going to add it from a URL right here. So I'm going to hit insert from URL. I'm going to paste the video code in there, and you can paste any YouTube video. It doesn't have to be your own. Just get the share code. Okay, so I'm going to insert it into the post and we'll save it. There it is right there. Okay, next step is we want to save it to our library, and to do that we need to hit this little round button just to the left of the trash can there. Give it a name, whatever you want to call it, YouTube vid. Save it to the library. Now we've got it saved to the library, we can trash it. And let's just add a blurb module. I think that's what they were asking. Yeah, blurb module. And there's a blurb module. Text, whatever you want to put in, obviously. I haven't got any real content, but of course you can put your content in there. And this will work with any module. It doesn't have to be a blurb module. Image and icon. I'm going to use an icon, so I can use a play icon. It'd be sort of appropriate for a video. If I move this over so you can see. There we go. And I'm simply going to align it to the middle and change the color there of the image and icon. Make that a simple blue. You can circle it. You can put it on the left if you want to, align it where you want. Use icon font size if you want to make it bigger or smaller. And I'm just going to align all the text to the middle. I'm going to turn that title text blue. Same as the icon there. And let's make it bold. There we go. Great. That's all I'm going to do. Now we need to tell it that when we want to click on it, we want to pop up that video to play. So what we've got to do, I've got to save this page, little purple button here, save a draft or publish if you're ready. And the reason I've got to save this page is if I don't reload it, that video we saved to the library won't show up. Great, so let's go back down to our module. And now we've got to tell it that we want to use it as a pop-up. When they click on it, we want it to pop something up. To do that, let's go back into the module. I'm going to go over to Advanced and Visibility. If we scroll down, you've got a little button there that says Use Pop-Up. Now, if you didn't complete this step that we told you about first, this won't be there. So make sure you've got Enable Divi Pop-Up set to On. So I'm going to flip that one to On. What do we want it to pop up? We want it to pop up a layout. Could have actually done it with a video if we wanted to, but we're doing it this way around. Select from library, and we called it YT video. Should be right on the bottom. There it is. That's what we want to pop up. Trigger on module click, yeah, that's what we want. There's all kind of options for doing it on buttons, on exit intent. There's some great things there. Going to have a little trigger to close it. Outside pop-up, if they click anywhere outside it, it's going to close. Don't want to use auto close. If you have that enabled, you can auto close it after a certain period of time which you define. They've got all kind of fade in and fade out animations. Center, yeah, I want it to be in center. I want it to be absolute so it doesn't move. You can use it as full width if you want, which will pop up a full width video which will cover the actual footer and header, so all you will see is the video. I'm going to use the regular version right now, which is 680. It seems to work for me on most devices. And if you want to, you can hover over where it says pop up max width there and set different widths for desktop, tablet and mobile. But that 680 seems to work pretty well for me in most situations. Show an overlay. For anybody that doesn't know, the overlay is when it pops up, it's going to darken out the background, seeing as we've got a dark color for the overlay there. You can change your colors, but what it does is automatically make you focus on watching whatever it is you've got popping up there. It's similar to a lightbox effect. You can choose to show a close button. Yeah, I'm going to leave that on. Button, I'm going to leave it inside. Obviously you can put it outside if you want to. Choose your icon and your font size right here. Standard, it uses an X, which is pretty much a standard default for closing things. And of course you can style it, close background color and the actual icon color itself. I'm going to leave that all just as a default. So I'm pretty sure we should be good to go here. Let's save our changes. Save the page changes, little purple button. Save draft or publish if you're ready. And exit the visual builder. Okay, well, let's roll down. And there's our little module right there. If we hover over it, you see we've got an icon, a hand icon to click. Go ahead and click. And there's the video for us. And this is the overlay I was talking about. It darkens out the background so we're just focusing on the video. And there's a close button right there to close the video, or you can click anywhere outside of it and it closes down. So there you go. I hope that's answered your question, how to make a pop-up video from a Blurb module. Nice little feature. And like I say, we're using the Divi Supreme Pro plugin for that today, and you can find the link below the video. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.